Hi, my name is Leong Ka Weng, and my matrix ID is CA19120. So I will talk about analysis of video games that available on Steam. So this is the first of source data with Steam and also the Steam database. So Steam is a video game digital distribution service like Google Play Store. So it is developed by Wave Corporation since September 2003. So it allows the user to download video games and other software and save it in the virtual software library for the players. So next is Steam database. It is a third party which is not under Steam and Wave. So they are not doing for any game selling, and they just tracking down the latest data of updates of application and package on Steam. So for one of the problem to be solved is to know about the relationship between rating of the game and the trending of average players in a month through 2021. So a good rating of the game sometimes can making a game having a lot of player to play with it. So Steam can having a chance if there is a good rating, so to promote this game for more earnings. So this is the dashboard of Steam game analysis. So from here we can see that this is the legend of the game for the Steam game analysis: average playtime, game reviews, game number by developer, average player by month, Twitch viewer by month, game ratings, and also minimum requirement. So by seeing the circles size, we can know that how the more of the average playtime using in the by the players in. So for game reviews, it has two, which is red and the blue. So the red is showing the negative reviews and the blue showing the positive review. So game number by developer, so if bigger the number, bigger the size of the rectangle, we can know it the more game developed by the developer. So for the next two is Twitch view average player and the Twitch viewer by month. We can see that from January to April of the average player and the Twitch viewer for 4 months in 2021. Next is game ratings. We can see that by its height. So minimum requirement, it has two, which is needed RAM and also needed storage for the game. So we chose one which is the biggest one, Dota 2. So we can see that this is all the data for it. So more average playtime of a game showing that the players more interest on the game. So Steam should giving some package promotion to the game like Dota 2, since the players using more time on this game between with other games for earning more money. So if a game having positive reviews more than negative reviews, it showing most of the people are more satisfied on the game. But if a game having negative review more than positive reviews, teams should consider to taking down the game, since most of the players are not satisfied on this game. So if the average player by month is increasing, showing that what more of the players are interesting of this game, so Steam can promote this game in their main page for taking more earning profit. So Twitch, if Steam want to promote the games, they can finding the popular Twitch streamer to stream the games for taking the interest of the viewer, since Twitch viewers are showing that they are the potential to play a game through seeing the stream in Twitch. So a high rating of the game showing that the players are having more confidence of the game. So Steam can tell the developer to update new things such as new mode in the game which can have more players will like the game so that Steam can make more earn profit. So if a game having more needed RAM and needed storage, Steam should telling the player whether the RAM or storage enough for their hardware before the player wants to install the game. So if a developer develop more games, the Steam can take more percentage of the profit to the developer to taking more earning profit. So for a conclusion, I think that Steam should stop selling the game which having a too much bad ratings and a low play average play time. So if the Steam are having if Steam want to have a more accurate data, Steam should show the data of installation of the games through months or all the time. So for last, I think that this subject data analysis are some boring, but data visualization is quite interesting since playing chess are very interesting for me. That's all from me. Thank you.